This guy looks like he just got out of prison. Meet Roger, the kangaroo who skipped everyday leg day and went straight for the ultimate bodybuilder status. Standing over 6 feet tall and shredded like an action hero, Roger wasn't just any kangaroo. He was Australia's furry version of Arnold Schwarzenegger. I mean, why crush cans for recycling when you can bend metal buckets with your bare paws? Roger took reduce, reuse, recycle to a whole new level. And don't let those muscles fool you. This kangaroo had serious attitude. One glare from Roger, and even the toughest outback animals backed down. Roger was more than just brawn, he was an Australian legend, the OG Swole Roo. Rest easy, big guy.